Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to Van Cleef and Arpels to pick up something that I pre-ordered, and I will unbox it for you later. And I will also show to you how it looks with other items that I'm considering getting next. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, beauty products and travel videos. While I'm at VCA now, I actually want to have a look at the 10 motif necklace again. It's so beautiful, it's still on my wish list. I just can't decide whether I should get it next or whether I should get the 20 motif necklace. I will show it to you later as well. And by the way, this necklace is so gorgeous. The mother of pearl is a bit more pink, but it doesn't show. Actually, my camera doesn't do it justice at all. It's a lot more stunning in real life. Maybe I can show you here a little bit better, but still, it's a lot more pink and a lot more beautiful. And of course, I'm gonna try it again with the item that I purchased. And I will try on the 20 motif necklace as well. I just want to show you some items first, and then I will show you how these two necklaces look with the item that I purchased. I'm trying to create a perfect set. And also I saw this absolutely gorgeous bracelet. It's so stunning. It's one of the kind. And I love how it reflects the light. The diamonds and the rubies are just amazing. And I will try it on as well and show to you. Unfortunately, it's a bit too big on me, but it's just breathtaking. And my camera again doesn't do it justice. It's amazing. And I think it's about 1 million or maybe even more. Of course, because there are so many diamonds and rubies and they are quite big. And that's how it looks on me. It's stunning. And there was also a necklace like that as well. But look at this. I wish it was a bit smaller though. But it's amazing. And that's why I love VCA jewelry. They have the most amazing items ever. For everyone, whether you like the fine jewelry or whether you like the toned down items, and I love every single item in VCA obviously. I think this year I will probably focus on jewelry. I like a lot of items and I have been postponing getting a few, and I think this year I want to get something major from VCA for sure, something that I'll be wearing very often. I bought a few ready-to-wear pieces last year, especially at the end of the year, and I didn't even unbox them. And I haven't been actually wearing them at all. I will be posting some pictures on my Instagram account, so if you're not subscribed, please consider to do so. But I realized that I tend to wear my jewelry almost every single day. I just know that the cost per wear of the jewelry will be a lot lower than of any other item that I'll buy. And that's my focus for the year, just to buy items that I will wear or use as much as possible. And if I'm not going to wear them at least once a week, there is no point of adding it to my collection, because not only I don't have enough space, but also I will not be using it. Anyways, let's begin unboxing. I will show you also the gift that I was given. I really like it a lot. I was given this beautiful book and it has all the designs, the flower designs, and you can read more about them. And I'm so obsessed with the flower collections. I love the Cosmos collection actually, and I saw free wall here as well. I'll try to find it for you. Oh yeah, here it is. My favorite collection, absolute favorite. I also have another book that is called Alhambra, and I love the jewelry there as well, and that book is actually the reason why I want to add some items. I love these 20 motif necklaces and I like the way they are combined, and I realized that it's a malachite and the gold necklace, but actually I would like to wear onyx like that and the white mother of pearl. They are just so beautiful and I love both of them, and I think I will get one of the 20 motif necklaces this year for sure. I just need to think a bit longer to decide on the color. Now back to my unboxing. Here is the travel pouch that is so useful. I usually keep my jewelry in travel pouches in the jewelry box, and also I have the care instructions and the receipt that I was given. I'm so excited to open this box for you guys because actually I took a few days to open it. I just wanted to extend this time and enjoy it a bit longer. When I purchased the previous pair of earrings, the 2 motif mother of pearl, I opened it so fast and I started wearing it every day since then, and I just wanted to extend it a bit longer. And by the way guys, if you haven't watched the previous unboxing of my earrings, I will link it down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check them out. So excited to have them in my collection, and I know that I'll be wearing them a lot with my black clothes. I have a lot of black dresses, tops, sweaters, and this is how they look in the store. The light is a bit better. So they have the white mother of pearl, onyx, and the gray mother of pearl, which I love. I wanted to have this combination and I'm so glad that they pulled the trigger. I was previously worried that they're going to be very heavy, but actually I worn them already and they feel quite comfortable. Yes, they are heavier than the 2 motif earrings, but it's not too bad. It's actually very comfortable. My essay told me that it's pretty hard to actually find onyx that doesn't have white spots, and VCA really has to source for it. VCA sources for onyx from Brazil, and the stones have to be spotless, which is quite interesting. This actually made me appreciate onyx even more. That's why I had to add the earrings at least with 1 onyx stone. I'm so happy that these earrings arrived so soon. Actually, I didn't even expect to receive them earlier than April, but I'm just so happy they are in. And actually the white mother of pearl of these earrings is more pink than white. But of course my camera doesn't do it justice. But this piece is so special and so gorgeous. Actually, at first I couldn't decide between Cartier Clash earrings in the large size and these ones, but then I noticed that my ears look like they're sagging when I wear Cartier Clash, and these earrings actually look fine. That's why I pulled the trigger and got them instead. I think I will remove Cartier Clash in large size from my wish list. I don't think they are for me. I would rather add another pair of earrings with 3 motifs but in different color. I also wanted to style them with the 10 motif necklace and see how they look together. I'm not really sure. I feel like the 2 motif earrings in full white with white mother of pearl look much better with the necklace. I'm not sure. Is this just me or it kind of looks lost here? Like you can hardly see it. I don't know. Maybe with a different outfit, or maybe it's because of the light. Or maybe I should just only style this necklace with white mother of pearl. I still like this necklace. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and I like that it's so simple. I just have to decide whether I want it in 10 motif or if I should still go for the 20 motif next. And I have to decide on the color as well. How funny is this? I just purchased these earrings and I'm already obsessing about the next item. I'm gonna be thinking about it for ages. ultimately I want to have them all, but I just have to think this through. And I will show to you the 20 motif necklace together with these earrings as well. And here is the 20 motif necklace. I quite like it. It's pretty nice and I like the way it looks with the earrings. Here is another way of how you can wear this necklace. I actually like this style quite a lot. It's super cute. You can make it higher or lower, just the way you prefer it. I actually like this look a lot. And I think it still looks nice with my pink Chanel jacket. It doesn't look too much. I was afraid that the black wouldn't look so good with colorful clothes, but actually it matches. Okay, I think I'm getting so obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. And if anyone told me last year that I would be obsessing over 20 motif necklace in black onyx, I would never ever believe to them. But here I am. I even like the way it looks just like that. It's super cute, it's simple. It actually looks quite elegant. I like it a lot. And I know that it would match a lot of my ready-to-wear items. And with a black simple dress, it would look amazing. So stunning. It might be the next item that I'll be adding to my wish list. I just have to think a bit longer because just a month ago I was about to purchase the 10 motif. I was so ready to do that, but in the end I decided to go for the earrings instead. I definitely need to think a bit longer, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be this necklace. I love it too much to pass on it. I actually find the 20 motif necklace a lot more versatile because there are so many ways of how you can wear it. You can even wear it like a belt. And onyx is actually quite hard wearing, so it's not easy to scratch it, damage it like mother of pearl, which is excellent. And that's another reason why I love onyx so much. I love the items that are hard wearing that I don't have to stress out about. By the way, if in the end I decide to add 10 motif and 20 motif, I can still connect them and wear them like that. I actually like this look a lot, white and black together. It's so beautiful. Maybe I should get 2 necklaces in the end. I will have to think about it, which one is next, 10 or 20, black, white again. I'm gonna think about it, but for now I'm going to enjoy the earrings that I have just purchased. I'm yet to style them and I'll be uploading a lot of photos on my Instagram account, so if you guys are not subscribed, please consider to do so. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like my video and my new earrings. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Do consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!